Hi, I'm Scotty. I service, repair and restore vintage and antique mechanical clocks. Welcome to Scotty's Clock World. Today we have a Swiss-made alarm clock. It originally had glow-in-the-dark numbers and hands. It's looking a bit rough for wear, but we'll have a look and see what we've got. We'll have a quick look and check. The hands work alright. Where's our... The alarm hand rotates. The alarm's winding mechanism just spins in my hand, so that's definitely a broken spring. Mainspring is super tight, so it's no doubt pretty dirty inside. And that's what's stopping the movement working at the moment. Alright, let's take it to pieces. When you look at the case, there's a screw there and a screw there. They'll be used to hold the movement onto the back plate there. But to open the clock up, we have to take the two legs off, and most likely that piece up there also. Okay, 7mm spanner. We'll start loosening the legs down the bottom. First one's out. Second one. A little bit tighter. Now we'll need an 8mm spanner for the top. Loosen that off. Unscrew it. Like so, holding the back. Bit tight, but that should now just slide out. There we go. Slowly getting there, bit at a time. It is tight. And down the bottom. There we have it. The glass and the bezel. Inside. And there's our clock movement. Now unwind the spring winders, remove them from the back. The alarm, mainspring, and we'll pull those two off. Off he comes. Now we can get at those two screws there. They're pretty tiny, so we're going to need quite a small screwdriver. to get into them. First one. Just felt the back come loose then. Pop the screw over there. Screwdriver back. There's the back of the movement. You'll check the hairspring. Seems to be working. Yeah, I think it's just because the movement's really dirty. Okay. Before we start touching any of that, we'll start off by removing the hands. If we can get our fingernails underneath, pull them off very gently. Then the hour hand. Fingernails again. It's a bit tight. Right, we'll put a screwdriver in there and see what we can do. Being very careful not to mark the face. There we go, so we've got that. Now we want the alarm hand, very gently lifting it. Oh, alarm's going off. I might have to put a hand puller on that to remove it. Oh, no, there it goes. Got him. Now the face will come off, moving it carefully. Put that aside. Right, now we can start to take the movement to pieces. Put that on the top of there. Put the hands etc. away. Then we'll start to take the movement to pieces. If you enjoyed this video and want to learn more about antique and vintage clock repair, be sure to hit the subscribe button before watching these next two videos.